Ever dreamed of having your own store? But the thought of rentals, staffing, and a whole new system seems overwhelming, right? Well, what if I told you there was a way to seamlessly blend your online Shopify store with a physical presence? That's the magic of Shopify POS, a point-of-sale system designed specifically for Shopify users. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind. Why consider a physical store with Shopify? Maybe you're an established online entrepreneur and your brand is thriving. Customers love your products, but you crave that personal touch. A physical store allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level, showcase products in a real-world setting, and foster a sense of community. Perhaps you're a passionate creator, starting small and selling handmade crafts or vintage finds. A pop-up shop or a stall at a farmer's market could be the perfect way to test the waters and see if there's a demand for your unique offerings. There are countless reasons to consider a physical presence for your Shopify store. But the key is ensuring a smooth transition without adding unnecessary complexity. Enter Shopify POS, your online store's physical extension. Shopify POS is a game changer for businesses looking to bridge the gap between online and offline sales. It's a mobile app available on iOS and Android devices, essentially transforming your phone or tablet into a powerful sales tool. Here's how Shopify POS empowers your physical store. Effortless product management. No more double entries. Shopify POS syncs seamlessly with your online store, so your inventory levels and product details are always up to date. Add new products, update descriptions, or adjust prices, all from one central location. Streamline sales process. Say goodbye to manual calculations and hello to a smooth checkout experience. Customers simply add items to their cart, and the POS calculates taxes and totals automatically. Plus, with integrated payment processing, you can accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. Happy customers, happy business. Shopify POS allows you to offer discounts, promotions, and loyalty programs just like you would online. This keeps customers engaged and coming back for more. Inventory on point. Never run out of stock again. Shopify POS tracks inventory levels in real time, giving you valuable insights into what's selling and what needs restocking. This ensures you have the right products on hand to meet customer demand. Data-driven decisions. Shopify POS provides comprehensive sales reports that give you a clear picture of your performance. Analyze sales trends, identify top-selling items, and track customer behavior. All this valuable data empowers you to make informed decisions about your business. Shopify POS, free or fancy? The good news is that Shopify POS offers a free tier with basic functionalities, perfect for dipping your toes into the world of physical sales. This includes processing payments, managing inventory for a single location, and generating basic reports. However, if you're looking for more advanced features like staff management, gift card functionality, or multi-location inventory tracking, then Shopify POS Pro might be the better fit. It comes with a monthly subscription fee, but the added functionalities can significantly boost your operational efficiency. Is Shopify POS right for you? Whether Shopify POS is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and goals. Here are some questions to consider. Are you looking to open a permanent brick-and-mortar store or explore pop-up shops and markets? Do you need advanced features like staff management or multi-location inventory tracking? What's your budget for a point-of-sale system? Shopify POS removes the complexity from setting up a physical presence for your Shopify store. With its user-friendly interface, seamless integration, and powerful features, it empowers you to manage your online and offline sales from a single platform. So, the question isn't can you do POS with Shopify, but rather why wouldn't you? With Shopify POS, you can transform your online brand into a thriving omnichannel business. Thanks for watching, and until next time.